Think about it, would you?
Okay. That's really soft. Good.
She's so serious.
No. Just all over you.
Okay. That's so soft.
Like how soft?
Like you won't even realize it's soft.
That's pretty good.
That's fresh as hell. Okay, so we're in Vancouver right now, and almost downtown. And really, the only big reason we came to Vancouver is for sashimi, because it's so much cheaper than anywhere else. It's huge and it's cheap. That was bomb. God, take a bite. That's a big boy. Yeah. Right now.
Yeah. That means I just got excited.
Bro, you gotta let. It's like all over you. Get lucky last night? Hey! You little girl's guy.
Good morning, guys.
Bruh. You guys are gross. All a bunch of nasty.
Wait, you're not full. I have a rating. What's your rating? 69.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this?
It's deliciousness.
Shit, okay. What do you think?
This is a tradition.
Just go for it.
What's the rating?
Oh, whoa. More flavor than anything. Yo, so we've been in Van for a couple hours now, and we've literally only been spending money on food. And we came all the way here. So we got our first bubble tea. Got some boba. Minus the boba, we just got coconut jelly, but it's from Inti.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be backwards. But they got the special white rabbit candy. I don't know if any of you guys had it. Blue's always had it as a kid. So we got the matcha white rabbit milk tea. We want to try it out. So I'm excited.
It's a really big straws.
Yeah. It's huge.
Oh shit.
Ooh, that's always nice, right? Hey, back. You gonna give me some?
Oh.
I'm just gonna cross swords. Let's go.
Not bad.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I like the coconut jelly.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
It's smooth. Tastes like milk tea. Not really getting much white rabbit.
Yeah. I think I can just really taste.
I can taste the matcha. It tastes good though. I mean, in tea, baby. A rating out of all the bubble tea. It's pretty good. It's pretty smooth. I give it an 8.1.
I give it 8 out of 10 because I can't really taste the white rabbit.
Yeah, but
It's really good.
tastes good. Kind of small though. I feel like I'm already like almost done.
I know.
Taking like 4 sips.